Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video of the new year for the Pinspiration Collaboration 2020. I had such a good time last year doing this that I decided to bring it back. So I have brought it back. We have a couple of new members for this year, and we have a whole bunch of veterans that have come back from last year. So I will have everyone's links in the description box below. I will also have the pin for the item that I have chosen for this month, which I have chosen a card. I believe it was a card sketch, and I will have that linked in the description box below as well. And also, this is part of another collaboration that I'm doing with Deb Houck, who is Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube, and it's for the Smash That Small Paper Pad, I believe is what it's called. So that's part of that as well, because I used some scraps from the paper pad that I've been working on. I want to make sure that I use it all up. And the paper pad that I have been using is one from, if I can find it really quick here, which I don't know what I did with it, is, oh darn, what did I do with that? Oh, for crying out loud, I have no clue what I have done with that, the rest of that paper pad. Oh, found it. So the paper pad that I've been using is this authentic paper pad, and it's called Crush, and it's kind of like a Valentine's paper pad. So with Valentine's Day coming up, I wanted to try and use what I had left of this, which really wasn't a whole lot. So I used some scraps, like I said, on this card. So let me show you what I've done. The base is a pale pink cardstock from Michael's, the Recollections. Then I have layered some white cardstock, and what I did to that layer of white cardstock is I used, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we are. I used an embossing folder that had hearts. So I embossed the white layer, and then I used some strips that were different sizes, and I cut the fishtail on the ends, and then I layered them, and the top three here are popped up with foam tape. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, focus. Ooh, focus. Oh, that was bad. Okay, focus back. So yes, these are popped up on dimensionals, and then I used one of my punches, which was it has like 5 or 6 hearts on it, and it's an EK Success punch, and I punched some hearts out of one of the pieces, scrap pieces, and then I used a stamp that was in my stash that I got from a D-stash, I don't know, probably a couple years ago. So I pulled that out and I stamped that with some black ink. And then, of course, I attached my hearts. And this little heart here is popped up on a little dimensional. I don't know if you can see that. Probably, I don't want to make it go out of focus again. And then on the inside, I didn't do anything because that's where I will put my sentiment. And there we go again. Oh, we're back. So there's where I will put my sentiment. So this is the card that I have created today for the Pinspiration collaboration. And please check out all the other ladies in the collab. Like I said, their links will be in the description box below. And we are all posting our videos the last Saturday of every month at noon. So that's when you can find all of us. So please come back and check next month to see what I do next month. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.